want to go over elasticity. We already begun to introduce this concept in class last week. Elasticity refers to the responsiveness of a change in one variable due to a change in another variable. And we're going to apply this generic concept elasticity to 4 specific types of elasticity, beginning with the price elasticity of demand, price elasticity of supply, income elasticity of demand, and then finally cross-price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is going to occupy about 75% of our attention while we discuss elasticity. There are multiple methods used to compute price elasticity of demand. As I mentioned in class last week, we're going to use the midpoint or the arc-elastic method. Price elasticity of demand is simply means of quantifying the application of the law of demand. So if price changes, we expect some change in quantity demanded, and we use price elasticity of demand as a means of estimating that change in quantity demanded. There are multiple real-world applications for price elasticity of demand used in the context of pricing strategy, determining what price to charge for a product or service, as well as revenue forecasting. I will be introducing 2 new equations that will focus on the application of price elasticity of demand as a pricing strategy, as well as sales revenue forecasting. Price elasticity of supply can be thought of as being the kissing cousin to price elasticity of demand. There are multiple methods used to compute price elasticity of supply, but like with price elasticity of demand, we're going to use the midpoint or the arc-elastic method. And it's the application of the law of supply. So, price elasticity of supply simply means of quantifying the change in quantity demanded due to a change in price of a product. The next 2 types of elasticities we're going to discuss. Income elasticity of demand is usually determined if the product is normal or inferior. And the last type of elasticity is cross-price elasticity of demand, and that's going to be used to determine if products are substitutes or complements.